All right, what's going on, guys? My name's Jack. Welcome back to the Dynamic Link Masterclass. Real quick, we're going to jump into a brief explanation of what Dynamic Link actually is. So I assume, of course, this will more or less just be kind of a refresher. A lot of you will probably understand the basics of Dynamic Link, but if you do not, or if you just understand a little bit, let me put it into perspective. Dynamic Link is essentially, it's in the title, it is linking two different programs. So we are going to be exploring using Adobe Premiere Pro and Adobe After Effects, two members of the Adobe Creative Suite, the Creative Cloud, if you will. And we're going to explore how to link these two so that what we do in Program A, aka Premiere Pro, affects what we're seeing in After Effects. And also what we do in After Effects affects what we're doing in Premiere Pro. So essentially there's a link between the projects. What we do in Project A, aka Program A, Premiere Pro, will also take effect in Program B, aka After Effects. Without further ado, let's jump into the Dynamic Link Master Class.